Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Brad Sugden. Storms are firing off and they're developing very quickly for some of us. Now, there's a lot going on in the atmosphere. You see this dark green line right here? That's the cold front just literally slamming into an earlier outflow boundary. And that is the boundary set up from some earlier thunderstorms with some rain-cooled air. And a lot of things are mixing up in the atmosphere right now. And because of that, we're actually seeing a few brief funnels come out of these thunderstorms. Now, they are down to the southeast of the Omaha metro. So for some of us, especially on the northwest side of town, kind of no dice here in terms of rain. So the lawn will continue to be brown, but some thunderstorms east of Council Bluffs. And again, more notably, the one down by Ashland. Here's the one dumping still a lot of rain on Mahoney State Park, I-80. Probably seeing a lot of standing water on the roads now because the storm has been here for really several minutes, dropping a lot of water. And we could see anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain come out of these. Now, I do want to flip over to the velocity scope. We did have a tornado reported. Very small rope funnel tornado made it to the ground, but that was 1 mile to the east-northeast of Ashland. Not anything showing up now on the velocity scope. We're not seeing that much rotation, but with these storms developing and so many clashing outflow boundaries and the cold front coming through, we could see some more brief funnels drop out of these clouds. Now, another weak thunderstorm to the east of Council Bluffs now, just to the east of I-80, and also one off to the north. This is now way south of Mondayman, actually getting toward Missouri Valley, but that's over I-29, dropping a lot of rain as well. And again, we do have that more notable thunderstorm to the southwest of Ashland, and that's dropping a lot of rainfall. And that's actually going all the way down 80 back into Lincoln. So anyone heading on I-80, it's going to be a slow go if you're headed down to Lincoln. But again, here's this dark green line. That's the actual cold front making its way down to the southeast. This thunderstorm, remember I talked about outflow boundaries earlier? Well, all that cold air hit the ground and is rushing outward, and that's why you see that happening down there. So we're seeing that cold air hit the ground and move out. Could see some more storms form for any part of the Omaha metro, really, but we'll keep our eyes peeled for you. This is a delayed reading out of Epley. It'll update in about 30 minutes, so that's a little behind, but everyone else, we're generally seeing temperatures upper 80s to lower 90s. Dew points very high as well, so it's very warm out there. A lot of stuff for the storms to work with, a lot of moisture. That earlier reading of 109, that was the heat index in Omaha, but again, we are cooling down because of the storms out and about. So hour by hour here, this is actually going to be very brief. We'll be a little busy here for the next hour or so, but that cold front keeps moving down to the southeast. By 9 o'clock, we are in the all clear, which is great news, and we're going to see mostly clear skies for the rest of the night tonight. Maybe some more showers well down to our south. Temperature-wise, we'll be in the 60s, and Friday doesn't look bad at all. A few clouds here and there. Any shower activity will be well down to the south of the Omaha metro. And enjoy tomorrow evening. Temperature is about 80 with mostly clear skies. Really great way to at least kick off the weekend. Unfortunately, though, more showers and storms are likely all day Saturday and all day Sunday. So really, Friday evening is the night to fire up the grill, have some friends over, and then Saturday and Sunday probably remain inside, maybe go see a movie. And then guess what? The heat comes back. But we'll be tracking these storms for you. I know we did have that tornado just southwest of the Omaha metro, and we'll be tracking them for you here as we go throughout really the next couple of hours.
If you have any storm pictures, please send them our way. You can email us at 6online or just share them on Facebook with us. Well, here's something that made us smile. You know what doesn't do well in the heat?
What's that?
Butter. But they keep it inside. We're going to the Iowa State Fair this year. The butter cow. We see it every year. It will be joined by a buttered version of the crew of the Starship Enterprise from Star Trek.
Okay.
Wow, that's pretty good. Many Trekkies will tell you the ship's captain, James T. Kirk, is a native of Iowa. There's the cow there. Butter sculptor Sarah Pratt says this is the biggest sculpture she has ever attempted.
Ooh, let's hope it doesn't melt then.
I know, it's not easy to do that, first
I
of
bet
all.
not.